Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Adam and you are watching Unlimited Options Investing, and in this video we are talking about the most anticipated earnings releases for the week beginning today, February 7th, 2022. So today, Monday, before the open, we had Tyson, Hasbro, and Energizer. Actually, I did not know they were public either. Otherwise, nothing that exciting. This week a lot more tame than the previous couple of weeks as we had all the big tech earnings, which were overall a pretty big success. Minus one, the obvious one, which was Meta Platforms, and I'm going to be coming out with a video likely tomorrow regarding my report cards of how each individual company did, so Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet or Google. But anyway, today after close we have Chegg, which was a winner during the lockdowns and the pandemic, an online education platform, and probably the biggest name today would be Take-Two Interactive, which is a video game company, or rather I should say a video game publishing company, and they've published games like NBA 2K, Grand Theft Auto, and looked at as one of the biggest opportunities for the decade when it comes to video games and gaming. The sector is growing substantially, and especially after a couple weeks ago Microsoft buying Activision, and Take-Two themselves actually buying Zynga, which also happens to report this week after the close. Today, Monday, the last name that I recognize is Simon Property Group. Again, when I got right into the market 2 years ago during 2020 in the crash, Simon Property Group was one of those names that got absolutely dismantled but later on recovered as we started to get more familiar with the pandemic. Tomorrow, Tuesday, before the open, we have Pfizer, a huge winner of the pandemic if we take a look at the max chart for this one. Again, specifically after they came out with the vaccine, they jumped from a $38 stock, jumping up to nearly all-time highs to where we are today, around $53. Paying a dividend yield of 3%. Before the open, really Harley-Davidson, otherwise nothing that's too exciting for me. After the close, some more popular retail names. So we have Peloton, which was a huge winner during the pandemic, and we all know what happened after that, absolutely getting decimated, especially after the peak about a year ago when the stock price was at $160 per share, now trading about 80% lower, although we are up on the day 20%. And that's based on reports of a potential takeover from potentially Apple, Nike, Amazon, or whoever. We also have names like Enphase, which was also a very big winner just a few months ago, where we reached all-time highs of about $267. Since then, in just a few short months, we are down almost 50%. Another huge winner, Chipotle Mexican Grill, is now trading at $1,470 a share. From those March lows in 2020, you could have picked up the shares for $635, now trading more than double, up 131%. Not to mention we are well off our 52-week high, which we are now down 22%. Other names on Tuesday after the close, we have Corsair Gaming, and that's a huge financial education name, a Jeremy Lefebvre name, and I also own this company for quite a while, but as we can see, whoever bought the stock in the past year is most likely upside down almost 60% in the past year. The last couple of names I recognize from Tuesday after close are Lyft and Spirit. And Spirit Airlines today announcing that they're going to be merging with Frontier Airlines. Wednesday before the open, we have CVS Health, Canopy Growth, nothing too exciting. Also Honda. After the close is when we're really talking. We have Walt Disney, probably the biggest name of the week. If we take a look at the past year, we are down 25%, reaching all-time highs of about $200 per share. And again, right now trading well below that. A lot of people looking at Walt Disney as a big recovery play moving forward. Other big names, Uber, Twilio, Zynga again that we mentioned, MGM Resorts, and iRobot. Thursday before the open, we have the beverage companies, Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, two high-quality dividend names. However, they aren't very exciting as they don't exhibit that much growth, very stable businesses that provide value and a dividend. Not to mention Coca-Cola creating a huge amount of Warren Buffett's wealth. After close, we get more exciting again, Affirm, the Pay Now, Pay Later platform. And if we take a look at any of these names, they're well off their 52-week high, with Affirm down 62%, again in just maybe 3 or 4 months. Twitter from its 52-week high is down 52%. Cloudflare from its 52-week high is down 48%. Take a look at Zillow from its 52-week high at just about $200, right now trading 75% lower. A 52-week high of just about 65. Since then, we are down pretty much 52%. Callaway Golf, a name I used to own and a name I still like, over the past year from its 52-week high at around $37 a share, we are down 35%. And Dexcom, not many people know this company. They manufacture, develop, and distribute glucose monitoring systems for diabetes management. I remember looking at the stock back in 2020, and I remember at one point it was up quite a bit, up almost 55-56%. But again, as things have been going down over the past few months, we're only up about 6% since I saw it, 2 years ago. And that's pretty much it for Thursday. On Friday, we have Cleveland Cliffs, Under Armour, Goodyear, Enbridge, Dominion Energy, so more industrial names. Again, with all the high-flying big names mostly reporting the past couple of weeks, I believe next week we're waiting for a big name in Nvidia. Otherwise, off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure we've gone through the biggest of the big, but let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Which names are you most looking forward to reporting? Let me know in the comments below. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.